Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna discuss how to fix TikTok. Something went wrong, try again later. And if you are having this kind of error today, then how you can fix that. This kind of error occurs in TikTok many times due to server error and other error in TikTok. So if you want to solve this error, first of all, what you have to do, you have to watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's go to the solution. The first trick is as that you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not, which means if you are connected to Wi-Fi, make sure that it is working properly, and you have to check your Wi-Fi router. And after that, you have to check your mobile data if you are using that. And the next step is that you have to simply press and hold your device, and you have to simply go to the app setting. For iPhone iOS device, you have to simply go to the app setting, and the first thing you have to do is you have to simply force stop the app. And if you are using iOS and iPhone device, you have to simply offload the app. And for Android user, you have to simply clear the cache of the app. And after that, you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do is next is you have to simply open the Play Store, and here you have to simply search for the TikTok, and here you have to check whether it is showing any kind of update or not. If it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update your app, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the updated version of the TikTok. And after that, you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. If the problem is still there, you can also go for restarting your device, which means you have to restart your device and turn it on again. And after that, you have to click on again the TikTok, and you have to check whether your problem has been fixed or not. Hope you have liked this video. Kindly subscribe our channel.